they left.
It was not suitable for being an extension.
Yeah, many of you have stopped at some point. I am an example. Sometimes you don't feel that what you have done.
As chairperson of the coordination, it's a different country, but of course the same is.
Right now we are going to the greener mist, we are going to the carbon credit. Why can't we think of financing women to own land? Where now we go and there is idle land everywhere. If you go to Kenya, we have idle land. But because the woman is not resourced enough to have the money to go and buy that land, and if she goes to any credit, go anywhere, you will find she cannot be able to get it. Then also the grants that come, they are tied to, I don't know, capacity building that comes to tell her what she has been doing. For 6 months, she has to be put on a program where she is removed from taking care of her family to going to class every day to be shown how to plant a tree, which she plants every day and takes care of. And I think all these monies that come, it is put on that capacity building, training her on what she knows. I think if this credit could be taken and given to her for food production, for hiring and leasing that land, like now we should be thinking of how they can be able to lease land to plant trees for carbon credit. That I think will be moving the woman from those kitchen gardens to great plantations so that she can also be able to have incomes and businesses that she can be able to speak about. I envision a dignified future for the women, a dignified future for the boy child, and I believe in the wholesomeness of a family. Because once we divide the men and the boys and the girls and the women, you will find that at one point, the whole world will lack balance. But when now you bring up, we have spoken the affirmative thing for women, and now I'm speaking about the affirmative thing for the boy child. Because they have been left behind.